In today's video, I'm going to show students specifically how you can make money online to cover extra college funds, bills that you might have, stuff that you need to cover. All of this, making money online from the comfort of your home. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. By the way, if this is your first time on the channel, don't forget to subscribe, because we cover everything money making method and how to make money online. So whenever I find a new way, I'll come and share with you guys on this channel. So if do well to subscribe. And even though I mentioned earlier that the method is specifically for students, other classes of people can do it as well. Maybe you have extra time on your hand, whatever it is, basically, as long as you have time, you can do these things as well. So without a lot of talk, let's get straight into the video. People per hour. So basically, you can become a freelancer, as you can see right here on this website. And I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with the term freelancer since you're already watching this video. You do jobs online and you make money off of it. So let's take, for instance, you have a skill. You have, maybe you know how to graphic design, how to web design, whatever it is. So let's say, for instance, you can you're a writer, so let's search writer in the tab right here. And as you can see here, we have be your ghostwriter and deliver in 24 hours, be your Amazon content writer and write an amazing product listing. There's so many different things you can do, and specifically we're going to look at their prices. Here we have $15, we have $95, we have expert ebook writer, ghostwriter, 5,000 words. Here we have content writing, 500 words, $15. Write an ebook for you as a ghostwriter, $300. So there are multiple job offers that you can do, and the more depending on what it is, you can charge a lot. But let's just do this. Let's do high to low. Here we can see this particular person, be your ghostwriter and deliver in 24 hours, charging $15, right? And then the person has delivered 45 sales. So if we do the quick math, 45 times 15, that's $675. And if you convert that to naira, which is, let's say conservatively, that's about 300 grand in Nigeria specifically. So it's good money that you can make on the side as a student, and maybe somebody who has time on their hands. And you can see the reviews and everything. So it's a very good way to make extra income. And as I said earlier, you can do multiple other things. It's not just right. Maybe so saying, you can do logo designs. This person is charging $25, this person $15 for these simple things that you can do even on your mobile device. See, $15, $25 for this cheap, very simple, straight up. And I'm telling you, I can guarantee anybody can do this. $20, and this guy has completed multiple, delivered in a day, multiple tasks. $20, you know how much that is. So this is just a very good way to make money on the side. Link will be in the description, by the way. Moving on to the next money making method, micro workers. And it's as straightforward as this: work and earn or offer a micro job. But in this case, we're going to be earning. Micro workers has, here you can see we have more than 3 million workers worldwide, and over 100 million tasks have been completed. So as a business owner, as a freelancer, you can come over here, get templates, post your business. As a freelancer, come here, do micro jobs and make money as well. And finally, we have study pool. Now, as a student, all right, maybe you are specializing in business, science, mathematics, you just, this is a particular topic that you know a lot about. It could be algebra, chemistry, whatever it is, and you can also share that knowledge with other people, because basically study pool, you can come over here and connect with tutors, get explanation, answer to assignments or questions that you might post, as you can see. But in this case, because we want to make money, we're going to become, instead of us to come and post our questions, we're going to be the one answering the questions, and we're going to become tutors. So you head over to the top and become a tutor. After you click on that place, you have to sign up. But before we get into that, just know that you can earn up to 7,500 USD monthly. But obviously this might be a stretch. We're not looking forward to, we're not trying to make we're just looking forward to make money on the side. And here's the good thing about it: you choose when to work and where you want to work from. There's no boss, no office, no quarters, whatever it is. You work at your own time with no schedule. It's a good way to make money on the side, just with your knowledge and keyboard. And their charge is just 20%. So all of these, should be encouraged you to do this. People are making as much as 90 grand. But that's crazy. 90 grand, 88 grand, 76, bro. And then, of course, popular tutor countries, and our motherland Nigeria is right here. So do not think this doesn't work here in Nigeria. If you want to try it out, go over to this website now, sign up as a tutor, start making money with your knowledge by teaching others and working according to your schedule and making money on the side. If you found this video useful, please do subscribe. We're trying closing on the 100 subscribers, and I know we're still a long way from there, but please do subscribe, like the video as well, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.